Today is a super exciting day because we announced Plug and Play being right here in NeoCity. And Plug and Play really helps bring about entrepreneurs where you have infuse of private capital with government capital, and it's really going to help accelerate what's happening here at NeoCity and bring us to that next level.
Semiconductors is critical for our national security. I think it's always important to start there. There's a deficit of semiconductor manufacturing, research and development, but now I think we're going to see that investment from the many communities that benefit from semiconductors and all the related industries. I think we're going to see that investment now come from around the world. Plug and Play really brings that to the table.
By bringing Plug and Play here to create a triangle between prototyping, research, and startups.
I want a kid in Kissimmee to have a dream and it become a reality. And that's why we're bringing in somebody who knows what they're doing and knows all about the startup business that's proven to help entrepreneurs take their business all the way to the top.
One of the key aspects that we really needed in Central Florida is a galvanizer of capital. And capital in two regards: human talent capital and innovation, but also certainly money, the money side of it. And so Plug and Play is the international leader in this. The human capital of innovation with the venture capital and combining those two in our community, it's just a complete game changer for us.
It's critical for the entrepreneur to meet special advisors, mentors, people who have done the journey before. And Plug and Play is actually a platform that they can do that instead of just writing papers and PhD thesis, they take the next step to build a company around it.
We are so happy and so excited to be here in NeoCity because of all the engagements and all of the partnerships that we have, and also the accesses that they are providing to our startups and all of these small companies. Plug and Play Semiconductors is the newest program, and it's being shaped in a way that we would be able to help all of our hardware-based startups as well. They also need some extra supports and extra push, and it would make it much cheaper for all of our startups for their ramp-up phase.
The research opportunities has to be commercialized, so bringing companies like PMP to be able to help jumpstart some of the commercial activity is important to University of Florida, particularly to my own department.
Today's an affirmation of everything we've done over the past 10 years. We've had investments from the Department of Defense, the state of Florida, Osceola County and its partners, but they have an outside private company from California, worldwide, come here to create its first semiconductor vertical in the world. It put NeoCity on the map.